Okay, so oh, I look busted. All right, so y'all, we got Popeyes. I got lemonade, fruit punch, and Sprite in this. We both got the chicken sandwiches right here. I ain't putting nothing on mine. It's gonna be my first time trying it. I don't know how it's gonna taste. I hope it tastes good. All right.
And everything.
Woo! Okay. Look at this. Oh, don't look at my fingers. They look like nubs. I ain't got nothing on here because I don't like nothing on my stuff. I do my own ditty. My own ditty bop. And I got some fries with wild honey mustard sauce. It's nasty. Lico? It's nasty, Naughty?
All I got was the crunchy stuff.
Oh, well, let me go ahead and do my duty. Do my ditty bop.
Don't forget those fries.
All right, yeah, and we got fries, y'all. Oh, we first bite. Hope I don't kill
So
myself.
too nasty. Hope I don't kill myself.
Wait, let me take the crunchiness off. Oh, no.
See?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good, but I can taste the crunch.
Oh my! Oh.
That's
Man, what the?
Down here on the movie theaters when they have them.
He's trying to kidnap us, y'all. Mm-hmm.
They could try hard. They get up me.
I mean, it ain't all that like everybody said it was.
It's
Yeah.
overhyped.
Yeah. This all just crunchy.
You can talk about
I'll give you some of mine. I'm getting a box.
of what?
What do you mean of what? It comes with like a taco. What does a $5 box come with?
A taco,
And like other stuff.
I
quesadilla.
don't really eat Taco Bell. Oh yeah. I don't fool with tacos.
I think nachos. This all not even all that. I still got Taco Bell.
You're still good.
It's good though.
You should add ranch.
I ain't gonna be ungrateful, but
Yeah, add ranch. That's what I do. It tastes better.
I need some. Like. We need some cheese and lettuce on here. Cause it's nasty right now.
What's nasty?
Chicken.
She got hers dry.
It's overrated. We do need to do. Give me a review.
You got honey mustard, Nene.
That's what I'm doing, but
Hey,
I need some,
I got you a coleslaw, but they didn't get no spoon.
oh, I'm gonna eat it just like it's guys. Coleslaw.
And
Y'all, but I'm gonna be right back with
Is it
this.
good, Lita?
Mom, try it. Let me show your reaction.
No, don't try hers. Mom, try Lee.
Mom, no, try.
That's dry. Mine got ranch in it.
What is this like? Overrated? Nasty. It's overrated, right? It's just
I mean,
too crunchy, but it's good though.
It's not
It's
too
like
much.
piece of chicken though.
Too much crunch.
Yeah. At least they good ranch.
I mean, it's good, but it ain't all that.
All right, y'all. Well, y'all heard it. It ain't all that. It's really not. McDonald's better. Is it hot and spicy? Lettuce, cheese. She don't want to be in the camera. Anyway, please don't make my stuff drop. Thank you. I'm messing around with you.
You know what the next conversation gonna be. You might want to delete that or turn it off.
Go ahead and say what I'm gonna say. I ain't had nothing for my fans.
This little motherfucker. I told him ranch. He gave me black and ranch.
Well, let me see the ranch.
Lee got that buttermilk.
You better stop.
Dirty teeth.
Have this one that's already up.
You better
Mhm.
stop.
All right, don't. Coleslaw so good. All right.
Nadia,
Now,
go in there and tell that boy to give me some ranch with his crazy stuff.
Mom, what kind of ranch you do?
Blackened.
What is it?
Like shit.
like booty.
Now, bring me a fork.
Here, Nadia.
All
Take
right.
this in there. Take this. Tell him I want a regular ranch.
some chili.
That's what I know. It's nasty.
I'm really not feeling it.
I mean, that's okay if you.
I need some cheese.
No, I don't.
Aliens are real. What do you think our aliens are doing? They literally made some UFOs.
I don't know.
Yeah, before I go, I need to answer this. The Popeyes got burgers.
What?
The Popeyes got burgers.
No, they have sandwiches now.
Okay.
Look at
Got to.